Hello guys and welcome to another exciting and a wonderful today on locations and events. And we're here at the official unveiling and launching of one of the new smart latest products in the market. We call it the wisesmart commercial grinder and blender. I mean, it's really amazing, adding more product to the group of products they have already in the market. So we are here to get all the clips and all the sight and sound as to go on today on the unveiling of this wonderful commercial blender and also grinder here in Lagos. Just sit back and relax. Let's go on the first break. And when we come back, we bring you all the picture and all the sight and sound from this end. And I am Michael Leon. So keep watching winztv.
This is the grandma of the day. This is our over the light table. Over. Sit by the side of the chairman.
I want to call the MD for our speech. Can we clap for?
Oh, yeah. Guys, high table girls, customers and friends, and good wishers. I know everybody in this hall is a good wisher to us. We have the press too, we have the media in the house. So everybody, I say thank you for coming. It has been wonderful to have a brand called wisesmart. wisesmart, we launched our first product 2017 precisely on the 18th of November or 17th of November 2017. We started the business with a smart TV, and we had it for a very long time. And the sweet thing and the popular thing about the smart TV is that it's assembled in Nigeria. We did that here. Though we are coming to a state that we're going to have a plant to even manufacture fabrics on our own. But for now, we've not gotten to that state. But it is assembled in Nigeria. In course of the year last year, we had our smoothie blender launch too on a low key. It was just the media and friends around. But today we are going to launch a very beautiful and peculiar household machine. I call it a very peculiar and a strong household machine. It is that you don't need. Okay, let me start from the advantage. The advantage of this blender, which I call it Obonge, I call it one in town, is that you don't need to go to your lata and blend your pepper. In time past, we have stone at home. I have that stone. My mom I have too, because she doesn't like to eat the another day food. She likes to take a fresh food and prepare it. So we use that hand. We use that stone blender to blend. And when I go out, I tell people, my mom taught me to blend. She takes akara in the morning. Since I've met her, she takes akara in the morning, and you must use the hand to blend.
That from today, this blender will be the story of Nigeria. Amen. From today, people will be asking, begging for this blender. Amen. God will protect and guide all the marketers, the owners, and we that we're going to use the blender.
Yeah, I do first. Oh yeah.
We're going to launch this in the name of the Father, Amen, and of the Son, Amen, and of the Holy Ghost.
Oh yeah.
Number one.
Success. Amen. In millions. Amen. Okay, I want everybody here to come and touch this, please. That means you're going to have one in your house. Once you touch it, your prayer is hard. Yes. You will make money to get one of this in Jesus' name. Come and touch it, oh. Come and touch it, oh. This is blessed, you know. Me, I'm taking one room. Oh. Who else is taking one room? You are blessed if you are taking one room.
Let him go and touch it now. Let him go
and touch it. I want everybody to
Let
touch
him
it.
go and touch
Mommy will stop blending outside.
it. You can touch it.
You are blessed. You are blessed. You are blessed. Touching is 500,000.
Everyone has touched the blender. Who did not touch it?
Unveiling of the wisesmart commercial blender and grinder here in the heart of Lagos, and have this amazing personality right here. We call it on the green carpet. Hello, good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon.
You look amazing today.
Thank you.
We're talking about wisesmart. So, you've been selling your products and all that, and I heard you said 10 of this new products. So how was it for you?
Well, I so much believe in this product because the first time I came across it at an exhibition, and I saw it blending dry beans into powder form. I was amazed, and I decided that day that I was going to sell the product because I know it's good. It's a good one.
So how do you feel this afternoon winning this award? I mean, it's really amazing, isn't it?
Sorry?
How do you feel winning this award today, giving this new...
Wow. I feel so blessed to be part of this company, to be selling this product. For those who have sold too, they have given me their testimony, they like it, they're enjoying it, and I'm happy to have one today.
Okay, one word of thank you to wisesmart today.
I would say a big thank you to wisesmart for giving me this blender, and I pray the company will go places. They will sell this product to every home in Nigeria and outside Nigeria in Jesus' name.
Amen. So please go and get your wisesmart blender and grinder here in Lagos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir.
Good afternoon.
Can we meet you, sir?
My name is Balogun Olatunde.
Okay, talking about wisesmart in general, they have the wisesmart like TV. We are now having the wisesmart commercial grinder and blender. So tell us one or two things about this wisesmart everything.
Well, as I said, my name is Balogun Olatunde. Since I've been friend of this company, they've been doing wonderful things. When the wisesmart TV was unveiled, things we've not seen before. Somebody walking on the TV and it got damaged. And because of that, they felt they should keep on doing that good work. Because one good work will take you to another good work again. So that's why they came up with this blender.
All right. Talking about the unveiling today, they say the plash is slashed for 25,000. After today, tomorrow, 30,000. Then the subsequent everyone will be now 45,000. So have you got your own here? Let me know.
Yes, I have.
Are you sure?
That's how I'm holding.
All right, guys, we're right back. Thank you very much, sir. You're welcome. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hi.
Oh, you look really amazing. You're looking hot with the dress. I mean, the heads, you everything's just on flick this afternoon. I see how they go. So, can we meet you, ma'am?
Yeah, my name is Abiodun Afolayan. I'm the MDC of IBS Golden Investment Company Limited. We're just an investment company, and we are doing great in the market. So I'm Omolara's friend and a sister. We've been together for quite a while, and we've worked together, and from work environment we became sisters. And I know that Omolara is doing a lot in the market. She's been everywhere. There was a time she brought in some televisions from China. She launched the branch, and then I was there as well. And Lara is, if you know her very well, you know that she's a very enterprising person. She's very unique in her ways. She's a go-getter. She will not just stop at it. And then so when she told us about the wisesmart commercial grinder, we deemed it fit that we have to be here. We have to be here, number one, for us to be able to market the product together with her and be able to support her in some of our activities. Like I said, Molara is more like a golden friend of mine. Somebody just said that she's more like her own angel, but she is my own golden friend in the sense that, she has supported me so much in the past. Whatever I became today, it courtesy of God first, and then for Molara that was able to see the vision. She was able to see that attribute in me from day one, and that's where we are today. So, and I don't know what else should I say.
Okay, tell me about wisesmart in general. So what do you have to say concerning wisesmart products in general?
Their product is always very durable, quality product. For instance, the blender we're talking about, I mean, I've just been here and I watched them when they blend
The
beans without adding water, without adding any other thing. So obviously, not to be too, not to talk too much, I would say that if you put stone inside this blender, it will blend it. And so when you see a quality product, you should be able to appreciate the effort that the people that brought it in have actually put in place. So I really, really want to tell people and to encourage people that don't just go for blenders, because for people, you know that a lot of time we buy blenders at home, and most times they are not just what you need. But for this one, it's stronger than any other blender that I've seen in the past. It's stronger than any other one. So it's more quality than every other one I've seen in the past.
All right, so guys, you know what? Just go there and get your own blender. We call it the wisesmart commercial blender and grinder. So go and get one. I mean, it's the must have for the whole house and the whole family. Yes, so go and get one. Go and grab yours. Of course, yes. That's what we're talking about here.
In this age of fruits,
Yes.
people are so much conscious of health. So buy the blender, blend your fruit. Don't just buy all this fruit that people are doing in the market. Go to the market, buy your fruit, put it in the blender and blend it. Be health conscious. That's very, very important.
Yes, guys. wisesmart are here to help your health. Please go and get one. Thank you very much, Mara. Have a great afternoon. You're welcome. Good afternoon. Hello, we're here on the unveiling of this great product here in the heart of Lagos. We call it the wisesmart commercial blender and grinder here, and I have this gentle man and also a father here with us this afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm very fine. You look really amazing today with your native, your carb, and you're just looking amazing this afternoon. Trust me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Talking about wisesmart, the product wisesmart. Let me ask, have you used any of the product apart from the blender?
Yes. It's a wonderful blender which it's somehow commercialized where people can use to make money at the same time to use at home. The real thought of wisesmart company, they thought about how people can make money at the same time, utilize a blender to get good fruits and good food at home. It's wonderful. And it's going to be a very special Christmas gift this year for Nigeria.
All right. You're talking about blenders. We have a lot of variety of blenders out there in the market. So what do you think that wisesmart has that makes it quite different from other qualities out there in the market?
The other blenders in the market that I've seen, I can categorize them, most of them, as lazy blender.
All
right. wisesmart blender is a Superman's blender. It's a blender that gets the job done.
Okay.
And that is very important to us in Nigeria, because most of the products in Nigeria are after profit. This company put their profit aside and say, what does Nigeria need to move forward? And they're coming out with this blender to show other people that are importing bad products to our country that, yes, there's a company now that is ready to take the bull by the horn and make sure we get the best product of any standard anywhere in the whole world.
Okay, sir, before I leave out this green carpet, what will tell the public out there watching about this wisesmart blender?
Please, go out there, hustle, make some money and go get your blender, because it's a wonderful blender that will do magic for you. Anything you want to grind, it will grind your sorrow away.
Like they say, grind both sorrow and poverty away from you. So go there and get your commercial blender from the wisesmart here in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great afternoon. Hello, mommy. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
How will meet you, ma?
My name is Bola Odedino Von.
I'm talking about wisesmart in general. Tell us one or two things about wisesmart products in general.
I used it in my home, and the difference is clear in that my product grinded is very, very clean, unlike the one in the market that has remnants of previous customers. And I prefer using it. It is very, very good. It is worth the price. All the blenders I've been using for the past 50 years put together does not match this one wisesmart blender.
All right. Talking about the quality, because you've used other blenders, right? Looking at the quality of this wisesmart commercial blender and grinder. So you are telling that the quality is quite different from other product, right?
Very, very different. The difference is clear.
So Mama has said it all, Lou. So what are you waiting for? Please go there and grab one. It's very, very important. Go and get one of your commercial grinder and blend. I call it wisesmart. Please go and be wise now. Everything will be blend. Both your poverty, everything will be blended. Just go and get one. Ma, thank you very much, ma. God bless you. All right.
Good afternoon.
How are with you, ma?
My name is Noyo Guama.
All right. Talking about wisesmart in general, that product. Tell us one or two things about that product.
You want to try?
I want to try, ma.
wisesmart products are wonderful products. They are products that when you have in your home, you will never be disappointed. They are products that when you have one, you want to go for more. And that is why I am here. Because I want to be a witness. I don't want to be told about it. That is why I'm here. So that I can witness yet the launching of another product. And here you are. This one is the baba of all wisesmart products. Haba, you've not tried it. It can blend dry. It can blend wet. You want to make your akara so that there will not be too much water. Try this blender. Hey, you want to make your moi moi just the way you love it. Try this blender. How about your pepper and your tomatoes? Hey, all you need to do is just have one of this, and you will live to testify.
My brother should not finish the market for me. I know if he talk too much. So if you are still watching or just say, is it real? My brother, there is something here. Go and get one. Me, you need it for your house now. At least, like, please go and grab it, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Have a lovely afternoon. All right.
Good afternoon.
You look really amazing to your head. Your clothes. You just looking hot on this screen. That is just it. I'm talking about this new product, commercial blender and grind. Please just give us a hint on it.
This is wisesmart Home Appliances. It's actually a group of companies. We have wisesmart Real Estate, but today we are launching one of the products from wisesmart Home Appliances, and the name of what we are launching is called commercial grinding blender. It's wisesmart commercial blender. It's a commercial blender. It's big.
Oh, okay. So what makes this wisesmart blender grinder quite different from all the ones having in the market out there?
The strongness, I call it ogbonge. Years ago we launched our TV. Our TV was also ogbonge because it's a double screen. Then we're talking about it helping your the light rays. So bringing another product, which is the top product, is ogbonge. It can blend stone. I use it to blend dry bone. My fish, I don't throw the bone of my fish away anymore. I use it to blend it and pour it inside the soup again. So you could, women in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying. When you blend the bone, pour it. The aroma will be so wonderful.
So talking about the new product, so where can one get it right now? This is out in the market already or just here?
Now, because we just unveil it, in the next 1 hour, everybody should go on social media and see and take one and send money, we deliver. Free from today to Monday, free delivery in Lagos. Yes.
So guys, in case you're still wondering whether to get this or not, so I just go order, get one, just order online. Please get one of your commercial blender and grinder here in Lagos. Quite really amazing for me. So I'm going to get one myself because I need that because of my work. I love fruits, So thank you very much, man. Have a lovely afternoon. God bless you.
Yes, we are people's friend and we want the best for everyone that come around us. wisesmart Home Appliances is not the only company we have. We have wisesmart Real Estate. I think the benefit of being here today is from the wisesmart being Real Estate. Mommy, Mrs. Bolavon has been one of our clients in wisesmart Real Estate. And when we offer her that we want to come and launch, we're going for an event and we just need 20 people. And she said, about 20. Why do you want to go and spend money? I said, Mommy, he said, no. I'm not only going to support you with the event place, I'm also going to support you with food and drink. That is how beautiful she is. She gingered my person. Because before then, assuming I just said it and she said, Mashi, I mean, she's going to kill my morale. And in entrepreneurship, those are the things that are killing people's morale. When you meet with the bad people, can we please give her she's a mother. She's a client, but she's a mother. I have to. When I saw her with that look, I said, you look like my mother. Because she always wear local too. And your attitude is close to my mother. So it's like having another mother. So like I said we are going to give people the opportunity to go home with one, even with the condition of doing instrumental payments. All you just need to do is to drop your positive check. If you don't have it here, we'll trust you, we believe in you. Give us a day that you want us to pick the positive check and take 50% down and go home with our wisesmart commercial grinder blender. The name is all inclusive, grinder blender. That means everything you need to do with it, you are going to have it. But I'm going to jump the program, and I believe the guy, because we'll be here for a while, is going to show us how to blend different stuff, of using the blender to blend different stuff. So Mr. Tosin, can you be on scene? Mr. Tosin, this all is too small for you not to know your name, or I checked your name. So I'm jumping, so we'll just have an idea. I just need him to blend the beans, so you can have the value for what you are buying. Can you blend the beans? Can you show us the beans? Okay. Hold on.
This is the beans. Dried beans. Dried beans. So there's no sound, no spoon. So I'm going to pour it. I'm going to cover it. Then I will adjust the speed before I switch it on. So I will adjust the speed to medium. So if you want it to be more proper than this, you have to increase the speed and increase the them to when you want the speed you want to are satisfied with.
Can you pour it in a tray or a plate or anything? So you will not just be showing us us.
Use that program. No, it's not. It doesn't have one.
You need a bowl.
You need that bowl.
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
This is the result. So, can check it. Okay. Can check it.
Thank you, my blessing to us. So
she has bought her own. She has bought her own. I will deliver.
Thank you, ma. Then Mrs. Bonavon is a partner. She has also sold. She's even selling as far as Abuja. We have supply to give to Abuja. And we'll also be in Abuja by Friday, the International Trade Fair. Our stand is F138. So we are there live. So you can please forward this information to your friends and sisters and family in Abuja that wisesmart is coming with the Ogbonge blender. So they should come and pick their own. That will save them from transferring, paying for delivery. We'll take it to them. Like I said, it's FCMB and the account number is 5908 76 7012 5908 76 7012. The name on the account number is wisesmart Home Appliances and Technology.
Hello guys, it's been a wonderful program and unveiling and launching of the new product of the wisesmart blender and grinder here in the heart of Lagos. In case you wonder where to get those newest products, just go to the nearest shop or follow them on wisesmart.ng. You get to them, they'll deliver to your doorstep anyhow you want it to be. So this has been a wonderful package on this week's episode of Occasions and Event here on Wednesday. So follow us on our various social media handles. I'll come here next week for something fresh and exciting. I know how we do it, and I am always there to give you all the exclusive gossip, where it's happening, and I am Michael. You have a lovely evening and God bless you.